Cindy Crane at the Heart, and I'm back with a follow-up video to my embellishments on the 11th. So my embellishments on the 11th, I had made little gingerbread people and gumball machines and bows. So I put these all together and made tags because I need a bunch of tags. And so to recap, I used the Be Merry from Winter Big Scripty Words. This is my absolute favoritist die to use. You don't necessarily need the stamp set. I don't think I've actually ever used the stamp set, but the dies I love. They're amazing. So they're these, and they just look really great. So I cut all that out in gold. Let's see, what else did I use? This is from, I want to say that this is from Scrap Diva Designs. It's the Easter gumball machine, and then you could buy add-ons for the different holidays, but it gives you sort of the main components of the gumball machine. And then I used some product from my creative time. So I used the original little gingerbread person, and you can make it into a boy, you can make it into a girl, and the bows. So there's these gingerbread bows. If you have the regular bows, like the flat bows, you could just use those, and you could use white gel pen or like a puffy pen or whatever to make the little gingerbread lines that this bow die cuts out. And then in my stash, when I was cleaning out my stuff for my Big D stash, I had found just a bag of like random elements, including these little jingle bells. So I went ahead and didn't have very many little bells, but I used all the bells that I had to make, you know, my tags. And then my tag die, I actually used a tag die that I think it's from my creative time. Let's see. Where is it? Yeah, it's my creative time. And I'm trying not to spill things. And so it is a die where you can, it like comes with sort of the outline, and then it has this other piece that fits on the inside. So it's like a layering die. So I usually like to use my CC Designs, but it is nice to use other things I have in my collection. So these are how they came out. I also I made some other tags as well, where I just used the gingerbread hugs. I can't remember if it's hugs or kisses, and Ephemera from Not Too Shabby Shop. And I believe that these are, the paper, at least I know for sure, was restocked. I don't know about the Ephemera, but if they have it, I would totally get it because it's super cute. And I did use it in a lot of ways for this project. So let's see. Here are the gumball machines. I made 3 gumball machines, I think. So here they are. And then for the inside, I actually use the Hello Bluebird gingerbread stamp set because they have like little tiny pieces. So little tiny gingerbreads and candies and trees. And so that's what I used. And you can see the bow up here. And then we have this cute little bell. And I'm going to show you how I'm going to use the tags too, not just for presents, but also I'm decorating some gift bags for gifts that I'm doing for my daughter to give to her friends. So that'll be an upcoming video. I'm going to show you what handmade gift I made, along with what non-handmade gift went in the little gift bag, and just how it all looks when it's all put together. So be looking for that video. So here's this one, and here is this one right here. And so all of this uses that gingerbread paper from the Not Too Shabby Shop, and you can see how just really, really cute. The back, this one does a to from. This one I just stamped Happy Holidays. I believe that Happy Holidays is from Tailored Expressions. This Merry Christmas as well. I had this just sitting on my desk, so I just used it. And then here's this one right here. Okay, so then I used the little gingerbread person And this is where I use the Be Merry, and I just have my cute little gingerbread person with the bow. And because I have the Be Merry in the front, I didn't put any sort of sentiment on the back. And then here's this one right here. And then this one right here. So I think these are just adorable. And then I did have a bell left, and I was looking for this. I actually just really needed some more tags to have on hand. So I just decided, I have like some of those, the sticky tags, generally when I do like to make enough tags so I don't have to use those sticky tags. But for my children, I just ran out of time. It's so busy at work, and it's just, normally we have a little bit of time before Christmas. But the way that my vacation works this year is that school goes all the way to the 23rd for my kids. And I think I get on the 22nd. So I have to it's just jam-packed. And the end of the year is just a busy year, and a lot of things happened at work. So a lot of things going on. And so it just kind of ran out of time. So I use the sticky tags for my children's presents, but I do like to zhuzh up the ones that are going out, that I'm giving away. So my kids don't care, but I like things to look pretty when they go out. So I did make some really, really simple, quick and easy tags. I had that one last ginger little bell, but I use the Ephemera from the Not Too Shabby Gingerbread Kisses. I can't remember if it's Hugs or Kisses collection. And I have a link in my description for the shop, so you can go right into the shop and then find that collection. I don't know if the Ephemera is available anymore or not, but I know that the paper got restocked. And the paper is adorable. If the Ephemera got restocked, I highly recommend it because it does make quick and easy cards and tags. And then I just use the Be Merry. I just cut it out of gold cardstock that I get from Michael's. And then I have this twine. I think it's Maya Road twine that I have a big roll of it that I got in a box like a million years ago, and then I just rediscovered it because I cleaned out a bunch of stuff, and I was like, oh, I can use that. So made a lot of fun tags. So stay tuned for how I'm going to use the tags. Thank you for watching. This is Cindy Create the Heart.